Minasan, konnichiwa, Samurai Engineer desu. In this video, we will solve the conic section circle problem number 5. Let us look at the problem. Problem number 5 at the lower portion on your screen. So we have the given. What are the given? Center of the circle at origin. So for problem number 5, we have center at origin, meaning HK is 0, 0. Okay? So that is our HK. But now, the radius is given. What is the radius? 4. So the radius is equal to 4. Okay. Now, recall. So there are 3 important things for the conic section circle. Center, point P, and radius. We only need 2 information in order to solve for the equation. But this time, we are given radius and center. That's good. We can do it. We can do the computation. We can compute it. So the format is like this. This is the format. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Immediately, we can find the answer because h is 0, so x minus 0 is x squared. Therefore, the answer is squared. Y minus k is 0, therefore y minus 0 is y squared. So plus y squared equals r squared. R is equal to 4, which is given. R squared is therefore 16. So this is our final answer. Equation of a circle in standard format. Again, this is Dr. DrEYPEI, preaching engineering for nation building.